And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, guess what? It's Poppy's Workshop, and you guessed it, I drug you back out in the shop. Have no mercy, gotta make you look at another shop video. Let me zoom in here. Hi. Let me zoom in here so you can see. My last video, I center drilled, I spotted. Not even center drilled, it's a spot. Tiny little spot. It's not the right spot for this drill, but it's a spot. So, here we drill. Where? Yeah, it's back down over here. Let's have a. Where did I put the burr knife? I'll use burr knife. It's not in here. Not in there. Ah! No! And it's here. What's left of it. I'm almost out of the big bottle, which I used to refill this one. Okay. See you right there, so you don't get lost. Okay, now. How's that? That's about good. You're going to get, people. Okay, now this is not a number 7 drill. It's the first of a couple or 3 pilots heading to the number 7 drill. And like a 3-jaw chuck, there. I crank on all 3 pinions on my 3-jaw chuck. Why not on a drill chuck, huh? Always done it. Makes sense. You got 3 jamming elements pushing against whatever. Yeah, I know it's a bit big, but I I cleaned up in here and I can't find my machine cleaning brush. Hey. 50, 100, 50, 2, 250, 3, 350, 4, 450, 5, 550, 6, 50, 7, 'It would have been the shits if I'd have snapped the drill bit doing that. Instead of looking super cool. And let me take these off and put on the glasses that actually allow me to see what I'm doing. Wow, it's like opening up the eyes. Okay. Ah, here it is. Oh, by the way, anyone who wonders, that's orange juice up to the cow's bow tie and cold water the rest of the way. Oh, you can't see it. Well, trust me. I'm talking about my orangeade. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50. Okay. Not yet. Let's back her out. Clear the chips. Hey, I forget. That's like, no, less than 1.5 inches, more than 1.25 inches. Jammed up. It is 4th down and goal to goal here at Puppy's Workshop. Tighten you? Not easily. A lot of pain in the butt. That's as far as she goes because that's all the way down. All the way down. Got ungrunk. A little more. That should be enough. And again, like last time, grunk all three. There. Now I hear some other YouTube machinists talking about how good the Albright, however you want to pronounce it, I believe it's a Germanic company, might be Dutch, might be German. Anyway, always pronounced Albrecht. You know, like a. Well, I hate for it to sound prejudicial, but like an Englishman would pronounce it. Like me grandmother on the mother's side. Dear sainted grandmother Macron. My mother, Toronto Irish. Daddy, full-blooded French Canadian. And I'm through. I mean, the drill bit is through the. I'm only getting started. Okay, let's take this drill out, put it back in the index. As soon as I can get it out. Yes, you know the drill bit is good and tight in the chuck if you have to get a cheater to help you get it out. Hey, how about a number 15 is the next step up in. In the progression here. I have two predictions. One, it'll go much quicker on this drill bit, or it'll be the one that decides to seize and break on me. Wouldn't that be just sweet? Now, I can't expect that hole to hold any oil no more, because drill bit went all the way through. And through again. Or should I say, drill bit through again. If you ever wonder why they invented all kinds of power feeds for things in the machine shop, try running a machine totally by hand. That was 15. Number 10. I've been watching all of the channels that I watch all the time, even though I haven't been talking to you YouTubers out there very much. I just between being too cold to come out here and work, I mean literally too damn cold. I mean, we're talking muscles and joints locking up from the cold. Can't work. Too expensive to heat this place. It's uninsulated. Yeah. And, well, my illness between heart disease and all kinds of pills the heart doctor gives me, and my new family doctor has been having me take these B12 injections so I have more vigor and energy. I'm getting worse, not better. So, anyway, I've been watching Steve. He's been basically totally remanufacturing, I believe it's a 1981 vintage GMC or Chevy square body pickup. He's done both of the, I'm sorry I had to move the light so you can't see, but I need to. Okay, that's all the way through. Anyway, been watching Steve. He's been remanufacturing his truck. It ain't fixing. It ain't. It's gone beyond fixing. Okay, number 7. Tap drill for $1.20. Get in there, you. Chucky. Chucky's in love with Chuck. Oh, you thought I was gonna infringe on a Ricky Lee Davis song? No, 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 no. Okay, here we are. Number 7. And I know I went all the way through because I touched the horizontal mill conversion plate. I'm going to switch arms. My arm was going to break, Lucille. Ta-da! That's that for now. Okay, now let's come over here. And, oh, Taps, where are you? Oh, Taps, come here, Taps. quarter 20 H3 4FL tap set. 1 thread length, 2 1/2 OL. Yeah. That's a 1032. I've got two. Yeah, that's a 1032. This is the quarter 20. Ever seen one of them? Called a combination drill bit and tap. That is curious. You gonna fit in here? Just. Right now, it's number 7, 201. And I am right, that is 208 thousandths. Okay. Oh! Creak, crack, everything hurts. No, it's not there. Ah, there you is! Do I dare try and start? Wait a minute. Because this doesn't have a quick stop, nor a reverse. Back that off just a touch. No, I don't like that. That's not good. That's not good. Can't power tap with this, and it's definitely not a drill bit to power tap with unless you're in the right situation. Okay. But I did get a starter size on the hole. Cutting nice. Of course, there's a brand new tap. There's never cut anything ever before. Have some lubrication gear. Yeah. Oh, that'll feel much better. I was watching Nick Collier this morning, and he was tapping a quarter, I think it's quarter 20. I think he said it was a quarter 20 in this overarm end bearing support for his horizontal mill. And he snapped the tap. I know I have no room to say anything about Nick Collier's technique at all. ever. Although I think I'm a little bit older than him, although he may be born before June 7, 1956. Then again, he would be, in that case, he would be older than me. But anyway, we're two old dudes. And oh, no you don't. Ta-da! That's called wiggle room. Okay. Nah, I don't want the starting. I take the plug. You're starting, aren't you? Oh, that ain't just. That's just the way it is, huh? Okay. Anyway, I'm using the plug tab here to take this thread down quite a bit. I don't need much. I mean, I'm going to put a stud here. And the locking stud. I'm going to put a threaded stud and the locking stud like this one that I have here. I saw it 2 nights ago. Okay. Anyway, I was talking about this. You saw this combination drill and tap. The first time I ever saw one of these, the guy from the water company was putting in a new service 1 street over from where I lived then, which was 3 streets over now, basically. Anyway, guy from the water company was there. He's putting in a new service. He dug the hole with the backhoe, exposed the pipe, got all the way around it carefully, make sure he was inspecting it real good, and he was working by the hour for the water company. Anyway, now he decided where he was going to put the tap in. He's putting in a tap for a new service, and he took this. Anyway, he took a little airlock. Basically, it's curved to fit the pipe. Right? It had a valve. And the drill bit and tap combination on the motor went in, and he closed the airlock behind it around the shank. The drill, the drill motor is running. It opened the inner airlock door. Closed the inner airlock. Opened the outer airlock. Took that out. Took the valve on a long stem. So that combination drill and tap, I would say, was intended for hollow things. Pipe. Conduit. Okay. conduit and pipe look a lot alike, but if water is going through it, it's pipe. You measure it inside. If electrical wires are going through it, you measure the outside. Anyway, I was talking about Steve Summers. He's rebuilding that square body truck. I mean, he basically replaced both axles. He built them up. Let's see. He built an engine. And he welded, well, it looked to me like 3 dozen cracks in the frame of the truck. Put on a real nice winch pack hidden behind the front bumper. Well, I do believe that would be deep enough. No, not there. You don't tap each other. That would be incest. Cat tried to play with one of its siblings. I said, That's a no-no. How am I going to get that out? Well, and I got it. Yeah. There was a little tiny chip. Okay. That is that. Now I just got to find that clamping bolt, stud, whatever that's going on to this threaded stud. Did I put you over here? I don't think so. I wouldn't hide you over here when I wanted you there. And I knew I was going to want you there immediately almost. Alright. You're not in here. Oh well. There's not, I know it's in here. I put it away the other night. I mean, this cleaning up is a disease. It causes horrible things to happen. And it seems to be contagious. Well, I know it's in here. Da-da. Where? Here. There. Oh, Oh, it hurts. I mean, it really hurts. Well, I would have gone all over the computer. Which would not have been good. Sit you there for the knots. There, that's good. Okay, now. Okay. Hey, here's the one where I know where it's at. Okay, that's gonna go there. I need, let's look at the time. See how long I've been wasting you guys' time. 36 minutes? Ow! Okay. There it is. That's what I heard fall down there the other day, or a few minutes ago. Ta-da! The twin. And now, real world glasses. Okay. That is a quarter 20. $10.32. $3.24. Well, I can replace it. I needs to make a stud. Try that in there. See how deep it go. Okay. I had chimichanga for dinner. Blech. Okay, now I want to cut it, or at least make it shorter. Don't want to set up the lathe. Plus, I don't have carbide tooling to part off in the lathe. Don't want to. Don't want to do a lot of things. Okay. What I'm going to do is see my hand vise. You see the Allen screw. I'm going to stop the camera for a minute or so, as I'm going to use my big noisy angle grinder and grind the head off of this thing. I shall be back. You have been warned. Hey gang, I'm back. And look who came to visit. Say hi, Poncho. Say hi. Say hi to the nice people out there in YouTube land. Like I was telling you, just about as smart as Odie. Uh-huh. Now I'll bring you back over here. Do it. Did you just hit the smelly? Now, as you can see, my shear line horizontal milling column in place. And here, just poking out behind it, you see the bottom end of my shear line 8 direction vertical milling column attachment. Now I can use the 8 direction just about everything I want to do. I don't have to move this. When I want a horizontal mill, just take out a screw right here, slack it off a little bit, slide this up, and boom, horizontal mill. What you looking at? Huh? What's going on out there? Who's in the yard? Who's in the yard? He falls for that all the time. So there. Well, there you see on the night of the 47th, I was on Aldebaran 5. Oh, well, contact the Aldebaran 5 authorities. They're still looking. Oops, shit. I shouldn't have told you they're looking for me. Oops. Anyway, as I was telling you about, don't need that now. Hey! Don't you mess with her quilt. Poncho's looking at Christy's quilt. It's hanging on the line. He's trying to figure out how. He's a male dog. Can you guess what he's trying to figure out how he can... Yeah. No manners at all. Makes me look genteel and refined. You know. Drink the pinky up when sipping tea. Yeah. No. Steve Summers. Well, he truly is making a silk purse out of that square body truck. He's doing really good work. Steve, if you're listening, might be listening to me because I'm going to send you an email saying, hey, I posted in a vid and I speak of and to you. You want to know what color to paint that truck? Black. Not the shiny Cadillac black, but that dead, dark, satiny black. You know? I know you're not going to go out and get 6 cases of flat black from 6 different places, then a case of your favorite beer, and go for a rattle can custom. I'm not going to suggest that. But that really rich, deep, satiny, you know, non-glass or satin, whatever, black, look real good. But it's your truck. Anyway, let's look at the time, see how much of yours I've wasted. Wow. Well, you see, it's in place. All the major machining's done. I got a couple of little fences Shearline supplies you with, so that once you got it adjusted, you could gronk them down, and you know, it's a quick swap out. I'm gonna, you know, use them. One of them. Yeah. I'm going to think of a different way to handle the rear spring for this bellows way cover. I think. I mean, a piece of duct tape holding it back here behind the 8-direction milling column base. That works, but it don't look custom. It looks not custom. Anyway, I'm going to go for now. Actually, I got to go in the house and start processing this video. Yeah. So, good night in California.